Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. Right now we're in my dining room because I want to show you some of my favorite table linens that I have made. And all the ones that I'm showing you, I have video tutorials on them. So make sure you check below the screen for those tutorials. Now this first one I have on here is made out of jelly roll strips. Jelly rolls are these little round packs of long strips of fabric that are 2.5 inches wide. If you can't find Christmas themed jelly roll packs, you can always cut your own 2.5 inch wide strips. Now this is all stitched on a diagonal and it's really easy to do. I have a very simple method for doing it. You can also make it for any length table that you may have. You can also make these for hall tables, console tables, sofa tables, so many different types of tables. So let's take a look at the next one. If you don't want to make the jelly roll table runner, but if you're interested in making placemat size, this is also really easy to do. They're very quick to make, any size you want to make them. Here's another easy placemat. It's one piece of fabric on the background, and this is a machine applique tree. In the video, I show you how to draw your own tree pattern. It's really quite simple, and it's a really easy method for applying it to your fabric. This is a very long table runner because my table is very long. It's a fairly new dining room set. So a lot of my old table runners didn't quite fit on it, so I had to make some new ones. This fabric that I'm using is mostly red, as you can see, but it has gold thread going through it, so it's very shiny and it looks a lot more elegant. This is just one long strip of fabric. It's really quick. Probably take you about an hour to make, but it is really beautiful fabric. So look for bright, glittery type of fabrics if you want a real elegant look. This is a store-bought tablecloth, and I've added a Christmas tree applique in each of the corners and also put binding on the edges. Every year during the holiday time, you will see these large tablecloths in a variety of sizes. You can look at Bed Bath & Beyond and some of your other linen type stores. Here is another store-bought tablecloth in red. I put the binding on the edges as I did the other one. Now you can still put appliques in each corner. One of the reasons why I selected the red is that my jelly roll table runner looks really great sitting on top. So you can layer your table linens for a richer look. This one is very, very elegant. It has beads on each end, and then there are 4 squares there in the center section, and they have metallic gold going through the design. The green fabric surrounding those squares has glitter on it. So it's a really elegant table runner. It's one of my favorites, and I gave it to my daughter as a present. I really enjoyed showing you all of my Christmas holiday table linens, my table runners, tablecloths, placemats. These are just a few of all of the table runners and other table linens I have. So make sure you look below the YouTube screen for all of the links. Thanks for watching and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, would you please click on the thumbs up button, and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest video. I'm Cheryl and this is Manny. See you next time and happy sewing!